Understanding, throw a white flag, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or everyday conversations: throw a white flag. Understanding idioms like this is crucial for mastering the English language, as they enrich your vocabulary and help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. When someone says they're going to throw a white flag, they're not talking about tossing any physical object. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical way of saying they are giving up or surrendering in a situation. This idiom can be used in various contexts, from personal challenges to competitive environments. The key idea here is the act of stopping resistance and admitting defeat as a way to resolve a conflict or avoid further struggle. The phrase, throw a white flag, comes from a long-standing tradition in warfare. Historically, a white flag has been used as a signal of surrender. The color white was chosen because it is the opposite of black, symbolizing the absence of hostility and a desire for peace. When a white flag was raised or shown in battle, it indicated that one party wished to cease fighting and negotiate a truce or surrender. This visual symbol has become deeply ingrained in global culture, leading to its metaphorical use in language. Using throw a white flag in your conversations can add depth and nuance to your language. Here are a few examples to show how it can be used. In personal challenges, after trying for hours to solve the puzzle, I had to throw a white flag and ask for the solution. In work or school projects, we worked all night on the proposal, but eventually, we threw a white flag and decided to request an extension. In relationships, we were arguing for days, but finally, we both decided to throw a white flag and talk things out calmly. There are several variations of this phrase that carry the same or similar meanings. You might hear people say, wave a white flag, or simply, surrender. Each of these expressions can be used interchangeably, though, throw a white flag adds a touch of drama and finality to the action of giving up. Understanding idioms like throw a white flag can significantly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. It's a vivid expression that conveys the idea of surrendering or giving up in a way that's both poetic and deeply rooted in history. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, mastering idioms is a key step in becoming fluent in English. Happy learning, and don't hesitate to throw a white flag if you need help. We're here to support you in your language learning journey.